Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. This is the 2016, the Ford F-350. Stock number is 7333. On a virtual video walkaround, we're going to show you this vehicle up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Just over 50,000 miles on this great looking truck. You're going to see that it does have the tonneau covering, tow package. Absolutely a clean, low mileage F-350. Does come equipped with a Power Stroke 6.7 liter V8. Has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. Has a clean Carfax history report. Of course, it does have Bluetooth capability. We're going to show you the interior rear. Leather, loaded, comfortable, ample legroom. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you on the interior driver's seat here. Easy accessibility, all the controls up in the front. Heated seats, power seats, moonroof. You know she's not going to last long. Call us, email us, or text us for more information. We look forward to answering any questions you may have. Most of all, we look forward to earning your business. This is Scott Tanner saying, I'm going to go drive this truck right now and hope you have a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.